Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing the inn at Silvercreek. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This inn is located in a mountain valley between Winter Park and the Rocky Mountain National Park. Rustic and spacious guest rooms feature satellite TV and laundry facilities. On-site ski and snowboard rental is available. Mountain views are featured in the guest rooms at the inn at Silvercreek. All rooms offer a seating area with a sofa. Tennis and racquetball courts, a fitness center, hot tub, and sauna are available for guest use. An indoor and outdoor pool are featured. Guests can take advantage of the Silvercreek Inn's gift shops and spacious lobby with large seating area. Granby Elk Ranch and Club is less than 20 minutes drive from the inn at Silvercreek. Vista Basin is 5 minutes drive from the property and Pole Creek Golf Club is less than 30 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.